Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Twitter account permanently. Let's launch the Twitter app first. The first thing that you want to do over here guys is to click on the upper left corner so you will be able to launch your profile settings page. Then you want to click on settings and support. After that you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're over here guys, you want to click on the first option, which is your account. When you're over here, you will see that the last option in this menu is deactivate or delete your account. When you click on this, you will have a two option menu, which will allow you to either deactivate or delete your Twitter account. There is a major difference in between, so you want to make sure that you're aware of that. Also, if you have a current subscription for YouTube for Twitter Premium, all the cancellations will appear after you schedule your account for deactivation or deletion. This is very important because, as you may have guessed, if you want to request your data, you have to do it in advance. This means that if you want to download your data, you gotta let them know that you want to download your data. So then you'll be able to schedule your account for deletion. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.